This is typical of what you might be starting with for the equation of a conic section. To get it into standard form, first we'll group the y terms together, then group the x terms together, and the constant term, the 27, I'm going to move it to the other side of the equation. I'm leaving room here to complete the square in later steps. Before you complete the square, you need to factor out any coefficient from the y squared. 16 goes into 64 4 times. Leave space to complete the square. And even this term, you want to completely factor everything away, including the minus 1. You want it to be a bare x squared. So this will leave minus 2x, leaving room to complete the square. It's minus 27. Now, to complete the square, you take this term right here, 4, divide it by 2, and square it. And it goes here. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 squared is 4. Same thing here. This is going to be minus 2 divided by 2 squared. Well, that's negative 1 squared is 1. Now, you might be used to taking this one and adding it to the other side, but the 4 is multiplied by 16, so this side's actually been increased by 64, and you need to add the same thing to the other side. This is a 1, and 1 times negative 1 is negative, so you've actually put a negative 1 on this side, which has to be matched with a minus 1 on this side. Okay, factoring your perfect squares, this will be y plus 2 squared. This one will be x minus 1 squared. On the right side, negative 27 plus 64 is 37, minus 1 is 36. So we still have a 16 and a minus 1. To get it in standard form, we need a 1 on the right. So we're going to divide everything by 36. Okay, this gives us our 1, and 1 goes into 36. Well, that's just 36, which is 6 squared. We have our y plus 2 squared. This one's a little more complicated. I'm going to do this on the side. 16 over 36 is equal to 4 over 9. And this is a coefficient of 4 over 9. So if we want to move it into the denominator, multiplying by 4 over 9 is the same as dividing by 9 over 4. To finish this, y plus 2 squared over, we're going to write this as a square, 3 over 2 squared minus x minus 1 squared equals 1.